This is a quick demo of a mechanics work light manufactured and sold by Goose-Grip. This is called the Goose-Grip swivel stick work light. It's 12 inches long. It's 14 millimeters wide, 9 millimeters thick. Very, very powerful magnet. You almost need two hands to remove it. 6061 aluminum retainer for the stick. This light stick's waterproof. It puts out 1300 lumens. And the articulation on this is just extraordinary. This will rotate like an airplane propeller, or like a ballerina. It's powered by, it comes with a cable. You can power it off the car battery. It has a short wire coming off it, but most of the time I power it with your choice of 3 battery platforms, Milwaukee M12, or you can get it in DeWalt 12 volt or Snap-on 14.4. And this housing has 4 magnets on the bottom of it. And if you're working on a car, just find some metal. In this case, I'm just going to put it on the inner fender, right like that. And my light, I'm going to plug it in. Right there. Now, let's say I want to illuminate the alternator area on this Chevy Express. There's some good metal right there. And here's my switch. I'll turn it on. Really, really bright. Turn it at any angle, any pitch you want. Remove it, move it, put it any way you want. This light has a lifetime warranty. From Goose-Grip, you buy it once. It's available on the website, goosegrip.com. And there's 3 other lights there. This is the light I happen to use today for this job, where I changed a water pump and a radiator on a Chevy Express. It's late in the afternoon, starting to get dark. I didn't really need a light until now. I just wanted to make sure that I had no leaks on my radiator from those fittings for the tranny, or I moved it over to there. Those fittings for my oil pressure. But very bright, and it doesn't get in your way, because as long as you find a spot to put the magnet, the 12-inch long light stick, it being so narrow and thin, really has many advantages over every other light. I've used all of them: Astros, Snap-ons, Dayco, US General, Harbor Freight. I want a light that doesn't get in my way. And when you take the battery out of the light stick, you can make the light stick much longer and narrower and thinner. This is what's desirable for me. I'm fixing cars 45 years. Well, I designed this for me. I had to like it first before I started selling them. I've sold hundreds of these now. But I should be selling tens of thousands of them, and it's only because nobody really discovers them. hard to get noticed when you're a nothing burger company. But Goose-Grip.com, there's 3 other lights that you'd want to look at, and this isn't even the best one. The best ones are still on the site that I'm not demoing today. Anyway, go take a look. Goose-Grip.com.